Good morning. This morning I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and I guess by the title y'all know what I'm doing. But I was wanting to get me a lightweight tarp to carry hunting and out in the woods and stuff, just in case I needed a shelter. Now I got my old army poncho, and I have made shelter out of him, but you're limited on room. So I'm going to take a bed sheet and make an oilcloth. I was looking online, I was looking to buy one, but them folks, they proud of those things. And very expensive, so anytime I can make something myself and save some money, I do it. So I've never done this before, so we're going to give it a shot. I looked online, there's a lot of different recipes. You can use beeswax, but then that'd be stiff. I want something you can roll up good, throw in a backpack. And seen another one where they're using silicone, but I didn't like that idea. So I went and looked on Townsend's thing, and they was doing one, and see how they had done it, 200 years ago, and they used boiled linseed oil. Now you can use 100% oil, but it takes a long time to dry out. So you can add turpentine or mineral spirits to it, and that speeds up the drying time. So that's what I'm going to do today. I got a quart of linseed oil and a quart of turpentine, and I already put them in the bucket and stirred it up. So I'm going to hope I got enough. If not, I have to go back to town. But I'll get my gloves on. We'll start soaking this sheet up. See how it works out. Alright, I get him hung up and I'll let him hang there a few days. It ain't supposed to rain for the next 10 days. So hopefully it'll get dry by that time. And when it does, I'll come back out here and we'll spray some water on him and see if it works. Well, this sheet's been hanging up here for about 10 days. So he's good and dry. So today we're going to put a little water on him and see if that stuff works or not. Well, he stayed dry, and the only water that's on the floor down here is this up here under the tarp to dry. Only where it splashed down there coming off the end. And we got a little leak. There's a little leak right there. Oh, we had a little leak right here. Right up there is dripping a little bit. So the rest of it's pretty dry. I guess they'd do for a makeshift shelter, but if it was coming a hurricane or something, it probably wouldn't hold up. Anyway, that'll get it for this one. I guess if it was raining real heavy, it wouldn't hold up too good. But, I mean, it's just a light rain. He'd probably work out all right. I'm not gonna set him up out here in the yard, but later on, when I go to the woods, I may set him up and use him this fall and winter when I go hunting. So, anyway, that'll get it for this one. And appreciate you watching. I'll see you on the next one.